Hays County leaders tabled an agenda item that would have put a temporary pause on businesses with high water usage. It comes as leaders call for new measures to conserve water last week. KVUE Jessica Cha listened in on the Hays County Commissioners Court meeting today. Jessica, there's a lot to consider when thinking about this moratorium.
Absolutely, Ashley. On one side, leaders say they support the protection of groundwater and ensuring there's a responsible distribution of it, especially as their aquifer faces historic lows. But while the intention might be good, some leaders say this moratorium isn't even legally allowed to happen.
When water conservation is up for discussion at a Hays County Commissioner meeting,
possible action to adopt a resolution related to emergency drought response and water conservation measures.
Everyone is on the same page.
We must ensure that water usage does not go unchecked.
It isn't a left issue, it isn't a right issue, a Democrat or a Republican issue.
Parks, bonds, we care about our natural resources.
But when it comes to how to do it, Hays County leaders were at odds at Tuesday's meeting.
We can all say nice, pretty words, but we can't drink those words.
On one hand, County Judge Ruben Becerra proposes a 30-day temporary pause to development permits for businesses that use over 20,000 gallons of water a day.
If we do not address heavy industrial scale water use under our current drought conditions, we may soon find ourselves facing serious public safety risks.
Becerra says it would give the county time to evaluate impacts and review development procedures for projects with high water usage to make sure they're protecting dwindling groundwater resources. And with data centers interested in Texas land, some residents agree with the item.
Once an aquifer is overcommitted, there is no refund policy. This is not about stopping progress. It is about sequencing it responsibly.
But other commissioners worry the proposed pause may not be legal.
Is it yes or no legal?
No, unfortunately, I don't believe that this is something that the county will be able to legally do going forward. I think we would be exposing ourselves to significant legal liability.
Commissioner Walt Smith says state law doesn't allow counties to reject permit applications. He says they're only allowed 30 days to raise comments regarding concerns with code violations.
So if we say, no, we're not going to do anything for 30 days, and they submit something, then guess what? At day 30, we have to accept it. But I think that we need to step back and look at what we can actually legally do.
But Becerra says they should still fight for awareness. But the issue is tabled for now to review the proposal. In San Marcos, Jessica Cha, KVUE News.